Thank you, Susie from Hey Grill Hey, for sending me this awesome rub. Now I'm going to be putting these beautiful chunks of pork on the green egg for a 2-hour smoke bath. After 2 hours, now I'm going to be putting them in the Dutch oven with the mojo ingredients. You gotta have the kettle and fire bone broth. Alright, Gordon Ramsay, what do you think of this? I love using my knives, but not for this. Drag the taco shell through the mojo sauce and then pop it on the griddle. Cuban Mojo taco style.